Jagdamba as well, where for the reply to everything that I say that you don't like has to be a reference of or something obnoxious. Like I'll give you an example. Today Modi made a speech at Vadodara, right, after he won, and the whole 2-hour speech, the whole thing was just देखो मैं ही जीता, तुम लोग ने जिताया, मैं बेस्ट है, तुम लोग बेस्ट है, हम दोनों बेस्ट है, कांग्रेस गार्ड बनाने गया, मैं बेस्ट है. 2-hour speech of just 5 lakh votes, I'm best, सब बाकी सब. Okay, and so as an Indian citizen and not someone necessarily who doesn't like Modi, as an Indian citizen, I thought that when someone becomes PM, your first speech, no matter what it is, your first address in front of the media, you should talk like the PM and not like the candidate of a party, right? Which is a perfectly fair assumption to make. So I tweeted saying he could have done so much more with this speech, sigh. That's what I tweeted. The first reply, he should have spoken about your obesity or what? That's the first reply. अबे मोटू तू लिखना speech जाके. And this happens on a daily basis. So anything, whatever I say, cute puppy I saw on the road, बैठ मत उस पे साले. Obnoxious shit. That has nothing to do with anything. So what I do is I hashtag it with Irshad. This is my way of saying कि sir आपने क्या बात कही है, right? So today I think on one of the headlines today or some of these channels they have those graphics, right, of NDA this much and UPA this much. So they had the 3 leaders, of course. Others पे अखिलेश का photo था. So they had NDA पे they made one 3D character of Modi. On UPA they had one Rahul, and on others they had whoever, right? Except that it was so sad. Even there Rahul Gandhi got no respite from anyone. क्योंकि NDA के बाद में मोदी के character full and Rahul is the whole time for one whole day on loop just like. वो 3D कार्टून में भी उसकी मार रहे हैं लोग. So sad. The whole day he's on loop like. Rajiv was so excited today. This actually happened on air. He was so excited. Like all the news anchors were jizzing on what happened. Like मतलब सब मतलब कांग्रेस की ले रहे आज दिन भर. No Sanjay, tell me how you fucked up. ऐसा हो रहा था. So at one point this is actually true. If you go back, this is actually true. At one time Rajiv Sardesai is cutting to Sanjay Jha, okay? And Rajiv Sardesai actually said this. He was like, come on Sanjay, you must admit, you, and I shouldn't say this on national television, you effed up, okay? You effed up.